What's the meaning of bold? Bold. Bold.
Bold. Bold. The word bold can have several meanings depending on the context. It can refer to someone who is brave, courageous, or confident. For example, a person who takes risks and faces challenges with courage can be considered bold. It can also refer to a text format that makes the letters thicker and darker, in order to make them stand out from the surrounding text. In this case, it can be used for emphasis or to highlight important information. Overall, the word bold conveys a sense of strength and conviction, whether in actions or words.